There she is. Is she got a name painted on it?
C-Note. C-Note. N-O-T-E is the name, apparently.
C-Note. How about that? Okay. The C-Note. Alright.
Yeah.
I just need to step down on here, right?
Yeah. Hang on.
Step over. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry about
okay,
racing.
let's do it. Let's do it then.
I think we'll feel safer, especially if we get into trouble out there.
Yeah. Why don't we make sure the sucker's gonna crank?
Yes. Oh, the water.
Yep.
It's cooling.
We'll let it warm up.
Yeah.
Yeah, push it in. Here we go.
Mackey's Marina. That's the sound straight ahead of us. To that narrow thing. There's a private channel, he said, Mark. That's what we're going to look for. 6 feet. 6.1. 6.2.
I would think we need to be over this way and go out like that.
I think so. 6.3. 4. So he says as it goes down. No, it's 6 feet.
I'm going to come out of this my jacket.
Yeah.
It's warming up nicely. Down there, but we want to get out here a little bit further, though, right?
That's right. I think so.
Okay.
The only problem with the swells behind us get this rocking, as you know. smartphone out.
So yeah.
Take your smartphone out and see where we are relative to Mackey's. We are relative to Mackey's. Edenton's around this point up here. I think we've got another hour and a half or two to go.
Okay. We still got about maybe another half, 3/4 of a gallon that it did put in there. Okay, so we're good.
We should be fine.
Yeah, so we're running the little 9.9, but we're just about done. We're within a 1/4 mile of our the creek. We got to go up in there. We'll be nice and smooth, so we're good. Hours, is that what we said?
That's right.
How about that?
Pretty close. Aha! That looks like a marina.
It looks like Mackey's Marina, doesn't it? We're good?